We want to see the full dress.
Fine. What? Okay.
This is so beautiful. My man getting married. This is so good. Jeff, stay strong. Don't cry, buddy. Okay. Now in the back we have the biggest of them all. Brick Boss. He's very thick. Will you two accept the WWE boxing match? So on the left side we have Jeff the Destroyer weighing at 2,000 pounds, and on the right side we have Jeff the Moose, the science guy, weighing in at 1,000 pounds. This is gonna be the craziest boxing match of the century. Let's go. It is not looking so good at all for Jeff the Moose. Oh, snap! The winner decides if they get married or not. Jeffina, who wins the battle? Gah! We get married! You gotta get married. Jeff, come on. Let's go, buddy. Come on. Hey, Jeff, don't run away. Oh, Jeffina, I think your husband's running away. Welcome to another day of daycare. Yo, Cyclopia. It's good to be. Wait, what's that?
Wait,
hello?
What's that?
I heard something. Yo, Jeff, what's going on, buddy? Where's Jeff at? What? Jeff? Hey! Ah!
Oh no!
Jeff, what are you doing? Oh, what is that? What are you holding? Is that a broomstick? Jeff, chill. Stop swinging that broomstick around. Why is there a dumpster here, man? Where is it? Where's what? Ow, stop! What are you talking about? Where's what?
Where's what? What do you mean?
What are you looking for? Huh? What? I saw it. Saw what? What did you see?
Jeff, look at me. Why are you half animal?
A frog.
Half.
What do you mean a frog? There's no frogs in daycare, man.
Dude, it's just us two. Come on.
What is wrong with your legs? There's nothing wrong with my legs, man. What are you talking about? I look pretty good, right? Yeah!
Moose?
What's that? Oh, where's that thing? Oh,
I don't know.
It's looking at me. Oh! What's that? Ah! Breakfast! Whoa! What is that thing? Oh! There's a frog on the loose! What do we do? Oh, snap! My ears are bleeding.
Yeah, I don't
my
have
ears.
ears left. Thank you. I didn't need hair.
Wait, where'd the frog go? Wait, Nathan! Achoo! Nathan! What's wrong, buddy? I think he's dead. I think he died.
He just collapsed on the floor, dude.
Hey then!
I feel like mid-walk, he just collapsed.
Huh. What just happened? Nathan, what are you doing here, bro? Where'd you come from, man? What is wrong with you?
Yo, what's up, dudes? Daycare is back?
Yeah, it's back, but what you doing, man?
It's back. 50,000 likes and we'll come back.
Yo, you got an arrow in your head, bro. Yellow. Here, I got you, man. I got you. So ready? I got you. Oh, there we go.
Oh, okay, that didn't help.
It's still stuck in there. I can't get it.
Just breathe.
So we have a frog with some serpent thing and a mohawk, and we have this dude, whatever this mutation is, and then we have a one-eyed freak, and then I got some thick levels.
Yo, what happened to your legs, dude? You look like you.
I've been working out, bro. I've been working out and everything but my legs.
Yeah, me too, dude. I just skipped leg day, so.
Oh my gosh, you didn't skip arm day though. I'll tell you that. Dude, holy moly!
I went hard on
big arms, sack. No.
All right. So Nathan, you're back. It's been a long time, buddy.
It's been a long time since I've played some daycare. And all I gotta say is, where's food?
Where's the food?
Where's food?
You want the big fish?
Where's food?
Big boss ain't here, but I got some big fish. I got some big fish with some moose milk and some steak. Jeff, get us some food. You know each other? Yeah, we know each other. He's my bro. No, don't eat me. Don't eat me, no. Eat that. No, don't eat me. I'm not a breakfast. Don't eat the rocket launcher. Oh, no. Oh, no, in the daycare. Wait, what's going on, Jeff? What do you want? Jeff, can you just give us food before he eats me?
Oh,
is that breakfast? Are you holding some?
No.
Breakfast.
Away from me.
Ooh, breakfast. I like chugging milk on the Sunday morning.
Hey, what are you doing, Cyclopia? Hey,
Nothing, dude.
what you doing?
I'm doing nothing, bro.
Nathan, that's not looking so healthy, man. What's that?
You ain't never seen a man chug 20 gallons of milk.
You're
in
just
one
giving him
sitting.
so much food. You know, next thing you know, he's gonna be super thick like me. Dude, look at this, man. You see this? My legs. I'm not sure how my legs even hold me up anymore. Okay, so Jeff, what are we doing today, man? Yo, should we show Nathan the daycare? It's been a long time.
Yes.
It's been like completely redone. The whole
Show me
thing's
the
all
way.
crazy now. All right,
Show
so
me
let
the
me
way.
show you, man. This right
know
here
the
is
way.
a massive hole, which I'm not sure what happened, but it happens every single
Well,
video.
that's what happens when you put Unspeakable in
Tell me
after Taco
who the
Bell.
toad is.
So you don't
Oh,
want to.
wait, you want to know what the toad is? Let me just give you a little bit of a flashback.
You're not, I don't think you're ready for this. You need to be. You
What?
need to be more.
I'm not ready.
enthusiastic, right? You're screaming,
I am
you're like, are you ready?
If his salt touches me, I burn. I catch on fire.
Okay, well let's have Salt touch you.
Oh god, oh god, oh god, Nathan.
What? Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go. We gotta go. What are you? What are you? Oh my gosh, they're chasing me. Who's?
Say some breakfast.
Tanisha, move! Get out of here! Oh!
Oh my
my
god!
God.
He's dead!
I'm gonna beat you!
Yo, what is that? Wait, Moose, what is that behind you? Moose, what is that?
What? Oh
What is
my
that?
god! Ah!
What is that? Where'd he go?
He's over here, bro. Check it out. Well, it's good to be back, man. Listen,
good
let's get something
to be
straight here.
Back. It is good.
I'm in charge. You will refer to me as Big Hefe.
I refer to
I
you
got
as
you.
smelly
Don't
guy.
worry, I will take care of
Smell
I
this.
got you.
Ah!
There you go.
All right, man. Let me
okay.
start the
Oh,
daycare,
yeah,
buddy.
What are you shooting at me? Huh? Huh?
You wanna go? Ben, stay away! Ah!
No grenade!
Yo, I got
Alright.
my hand stuck on the front of this gun. I don't know how this is possible, but I like
I'm
it.
not sure how that works,
Down,
man,
down,
but
down,
it's
down,
all
down,
right,
down,
buddy.
down,
So let me show you the crazy daycare, buddy. This is the main room where things go down. Now,
Paintball
let me
guns
show you
for
some
days, boys.
knowledge, bro. Knowledge!
Knowledge?
Oh no. Up! My bad. My
Happy
bad.
Bob!
Okay, so if you go into here, buddy, if you go into here, we got this crazy library full of crazy
What
things.
the flip
What's
is
that? What's outside? What's that? Ah, God!
I think
Get
we
rid
have
of
a
it!
problem. We have a problem outside. There's a giant
What is
pig.
that?
I don't know. It's
Where'd
a
it come
giant
from?
pig,
It's a
and
giant
throwing
pig.
him
His
up-
name
Where'd
is
it go?
Bob.
Where'd it go?
Oh, he's gone.
His name is Bob. Look, he's friendly, guys. Just don't be mean to him, okay?
He's gone.
Oh, we're gone.
No.
We did it!
No,
Awesome!
It's just Bob. He
What?
comes with me, dudes.
Oh
Why?
my gosh. It's okay, boys.
Stay away, you
Okay,
foul
the boy
beast!
Unspeakable got a really
Don't
big
take him
paintball
out,
gun.
please. No, please. Bob? Okay, Bob, you'll be safe
Oh.
up there. Stay up there, Bob.
Oh, he's still alive! Get rid of it! No! Bang, 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 bang!
Oh,
Bang!
Bob, we're gonna go, dude.
Stay away!
Bob.
Don't shoot there!
Let's go,
Hey!
big bird.
Why is he throwing TNT? It's a giant pig! It makes
How
no
does a pig
sense!
throw TNT?
Bob,
That
come
doesn't
on,
even make
dude,
any
we're gonna
logical
go.
sense.
I don't know, but
I
it's
don't have
daycare. It
any
won't
ammo.
make sense ever!
I have no magazine.
Oh, just reload it. You got it, man. You got
He's
it.
gone.
Why would you?
Awesome.
Why would you
All right.
do it to Bob?
Jeff,
Well.
Jeff. I'm sorry about what happened. What is this? Jeff, wait. What is this? No way.
Wait,
No way.
is this what I think it is? Is this
Nathan?
breakfast?
Throwback! I want
Breakfast?
some big
Hold
fish.
on,
I want some
hold on.
honey.
I'm gonna eat it. Oh, wait, go ahead and place all the food. Place all the food. Place all the food. Oh. Oh.
Line it up! Line it up! More food!
All right.
More food.
Let's have an
More
eating
power.
competition. I got you. I got you.
Food, more food. More food. Gonna swallow it all when you place all the food.
I'll
Gonna
help
spit my
out
mouth.
with the
Ooh,
food.
Where's all the food?
Come here, Nathan. I got it first.
Where?
I
Where is
got you. I got you. Oh.
Okay, I'll make some
oh.
food for you guys. I'm making you some food.
The best
Okay.
part of all of them. Real
You guys
food.
like Cheetos?
No, we don't want Cheetos. You're lame.
Dude,
bro.
I just got you some.
All right,
Come
dude.
on.
You got some Cheetos?
Yeah, dude.
Cheese balls!
What did
What
you
happened?
do?
I swallowed all.
What
Get
did
some
you just
banana
do?
splits with some bacon. My
You
very
want
nice
some,
looking
honey?
bacon.
I like
Sweet
honey.
rolls. Oh!
Woo!
You blew it all
Oh,
up.
food.
No, I swallowed all of it. I don't think you understand or know the
What?
way.
How did that even happen?
You don't know the way. You don't know the way, so
right.
don't talk about the way. If you don't know the way, then don't know the
I
way.
want some big fish with some banana splits,
worked
and
hard
some
on that?
chocolates, and some
What?
strawberries, and
What?
bread. Yeah!
I think you can just take down my tower
I
just
worked
like that.
hard, that lizard.
Hey,
Oh,
hey,
man.
Hey, I'm just trying to build a tower. I want to go all the way to the top
What
of
did
the
we
sky.
even do? What happened? What even happened anymore? Well, anyways,
What happened?
let me show you the crazy tour. Now, this daycare is very action-packed. It's got a ton of crazy things. And if you go on the third floor, we have a massive open area that leads to nothing. Except...
Come over here. Come over here.
What are you doing? Hey, what's
Moose,
going
keep
on?
talking. We're listening.
Yeah,
keep
keep on
going.
going. Keep on going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, what's going on? Something fishy
Keep
is
going,
going on.
Moose.
Brick Bus's bank
what's
account
happening?
is drained. We cannot fix the
you're already here.
daycare.
Okay, follow me.
Moose, keep.
Wow.
What-
Yeah. You know, we have knowledge and stuff. We have people running away.
Yo,
You know.
Moose, what's your favorite
bunch of-
book, dude?
Oh, my favorite book is the one about Minecraft.
Take that.
Your favorite
don't
book
tell
is the one
anybody,
about
go.
Minecraft.
Wow, I like that book too. That's a good book.
Oh yeah, what a wonderful book.
Oh, yeah, dude.
It's a good book. Yeah.
I wonder where my two friends, Cyclops and the Frog are at.
Wow. Did you just
I saw
refer to me as
everything.
Cyclops?
I saw everything.
What do you mean?
Nathan?
What do you mean?
Nathan?
This is my best friend. His name is Marble.
Catch! Breakfast!
Run!
Dip.
Yo, Jeff, do you have something crazy that we can fight, dude? I want to see something. Oh, there's a dragon outside the fence! There's a dragon! And there's a moose dragon! Oh, stop!
Dragon?
Yo, look outside.
Holy,
Look outside.
What kind of daycare episode?
Oh, what is this?
No, it's a giant moose.
It's throwing TNT! Why is there a
I
big
got
version
you,
of me?
Moose. This is not what you were born to be. I got
There
you.
can only be
You
one!
evil moose. There can only be one the way.
Yeah, look, he's flying up. The
Yeah.
dragon's actually flying. Yeah. Oh, and it's
Yo,
gone.
do you guys not see this giant moose that's sitting over here?
Yeah,
Wait,
it's
no,
called
moose.
Evil Moose.
Oh, so I see him.
There's
Oh,
another
I see
one.
him.
What the flip?
He throws
Oh my
TNT. How do we get
Yo,
rid of him?
We
Oh,
went
dragon's
from being a nice, civilized daycare community to terrorizing the whole city with a bunch of paintball guns and giant moose statues. I don't know how I feel about this.
This went 0 to 100 real quick. That's
Yeah,
a
I
good way to
got
put
taken out by Bob. He kind of...
Oh, it's
yeah,
on
off
TNT.
the build.
Watch out, watch
You
out,
know,
watch out.
Honestly, guys, I'm just gonna go back inside and enjoy some breakfast. You guys have fun. I'm
You know, I'm only just getting eaten alive by like 20 things at once, but don't worry,
gonna
man.
go enjoy some food. You guys have a lot of fun. I'm gonna go relax, probably take a nice little nap and read a bedtime
Please,
story.
help.
There's so many
God
things
damn it.
here. I can't move, Nathan.
Guys, why don't you just you just come inside?
Bob
you
is
chill,
no match for them.
you
Bob is no
relax,
match.
There's
you
really
relax
nothing
with me
left.
And me and my friend Marble up here, and we tell
Oh.
nice bedtime
Wait,
stories.
did you replace me with Marble? Is that?
Oh yes, I did.
Oh.
Marble is my
Marble's
new
gone.
best friend. Wait, what? You just blew up Marble?
Marbles.
No,
Marble doesn't exist anymore. Hey,
Marble is still alive.
Big
Hey,
fist.
Marble. What the?
Dude, these are too
fuck?
OP. They're too OP.
I did
man.
nothing. It was not me. It was someone else.
Where are you, Moose? You just ended my friend Marble. You know what that means? Oh, you didn't do anything, huh? Where you at, Moose?
Ah!
Where you
oh,
at?
oh, oh
Where
no.
you at,
Oh no.
Moose?
Oh
I'm
no.
gonna
Oh no.
And
no,
when I
no,
find
no, no,
you,
no.
I will.
I found Moose. I found
Marble's
Moose.
still
I found
alive.
Moose.
I'm not
We're
doing
good.
anything.
Nah, we're
It's
good.
not me.
Marble's still alive. Marble's
Oh,
still alive.
is he
We're
good?
good.
Oh,
Marble's
good.
Marble is
Awesome.
indestructible.
No hard
Still
feelings.
wanna get me, Moose.
Marble is
Yay!
indestructible. Marble, have a safe rest of your day. And what are you guys doing?
Hey, hey. Get me out of here.
Take out Marble.
So what are we doing with these crazy dragons trying to take over the whole
Here,
city,
we got-
man? What do we do
we
about
got
that?
Marble 2.0, and we got Yolander.
Why are there still
and
TNT
we
hitting me
got-
nonstop?
And we got 10 elk. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. How many of these guys are gonna spawn?
I don't
Jeez,
know,
dude.
but I can't get out of here.
Our
Good, I
daycare,
got
man.
this.
I don't like this. I don't like
Oh,
this.
they're all gone. Hey, well, I think we somehow saved the city.
Still one more.
Oh, there's one more. Never mind. Let's
It's
go.
okay, it's
Where'd he go?
good.
Where's he at?
Where'd he go?
Where's he at?
Oh,
We
he
did
disappeared.
good.
Holy
Wait,
moly,
the only
boy.
thing left is the pig. But if we, Nathan,
No,
if
don't
we
take out the
kill the
pig.
pig and
No,
we eat him,
no, please,
imagine
no.
the amount of food.
No.
Yeah, unlimited food.
Big.
Bob,
Get
stay up
that-
here.
oh,
Bob,
yeah.
whatever you do, Bob, don't come down from here. Bob,
Come here, buddy.
Bob,
Ow!
Bob.
Where's the pig? Declan, where's your pig?
The pig's nowhere.
Where's
Don't
the
worry
pig?
about it, dude.
Huh? Where's your pig? Creative mode? Is that where your pig is? Creative mode?
Oh, you
No,
are
please
not
no,
ready
please
for
no.
the pig,
Oh,
my
oh,
friend.
Look, listen, I'll show you where the pig is. Just stop. Just stop, please.
Show us the pig. We must eat the pig.
Okay, I'll show you where the pig is. Okay, guys. The pig is right here.
Why are you lying?
He's that.
Why?
Wait, what? Oh, what the heck? He's so small.
And he's
So
down.
small. Here,
What?
boys. I have an idea. Is there any?
Bob, attack mode. Da 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 da.
Okay, boys. How about every like that this video gets one TNT, please?
Oh no. Okay. Well, if
No.
you watch this video,
Stop.
leave a like right now. Let's see how much
No.
TNT we can
Not
place
doing
See how
down.
many
Stop.
likes we can get?
No.
That equals
Stop.
how many TNT blocks
Let's
we
do
place.
a 5-second timer. 5,
5-second timer. Everyone's gonna hit the like button right now.
Like
Three,
it, go. Actually,
2,
go, please,
and 1. All right.
Okay, this was
Second, turn on to TNT.
Wait, there's not any. Wait, there's not world edit on this world?
Fun. Oh,
No, we can't afford that. It's a budget cut, bro. But we
I
have
got you, dude.
we
I
have a
got
better
you.
option.
World edit? How do you
We
have
have a
budget
better
cut
option.
for world edit? my
I
dude?
got you.
TNT zero replace wood.
Wait for
Replace.
it. And
Okay. Replace
All right.
tanks. Need that to be a little bit higher. So
that's
how
200
much
TNT for
you guys
200
want?
likes. That's 62. Now we need a bunch more. We need the whole dirt replaced with TNT. We want at least
I don't have any more.
5,000
ammo.
TNT placed.
5,000
even more.
TNT. Okay, come
Even
on, take
more
out.
5,000.
I
Okay, guys,
think we
magic
got
trick.
way more than 5,000
TP
likes.
to
on
me,
this
guys.
All
video.
right,
Okay,
10,000
magic
pieces of TNT. Let's go. Come
10,000
on.
pieces of TNT.
Okay,
Easy.
it's MooseCraft, it's me, Cyclone. Are you guys ready? 1 million.
Oh,
pieces
no.
Of
Oh, wait, did we
TNT.
get 1 million likes?
1
That's
million
5,000.
pieces of TNT.
That's 3,000.
Oh, no.
Oh, my God. And there goes the daycare.
That's a lot of TNT.
Bro. That was way
Well,
too much TNT.
This?
No, that was way too much TNT.
No, I
Oh,
think it's
no.
good, man. Surprisingly, it's still going. Jeff, I'm so sorry about your daycare, man. I know you're on a budget card and all, but it's pretty bad. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go home to my wife.
You have a wife?
Yeah, you got married yesterday. It's a complicated relationship. They have like a WrestleMania relationship where they wrestle each other and stuff, and then RKO takedown. It's a
I
mess.
see.
It's
Yeah.
interesting, dude.
It's very interesting. Well, not my choice. Yeah. So
Oh my God.
well, the
this
daycare's
is-
gone.
This is typically how a daycare goes. You know, at the end of the video, we
Yeah,
always
sounds
blow
about
it
right.
up because and just random things happen, and we honestly don't know what just happened. And I'm like, my Minecraft is freezing, and I'm crying, and I need more food, and I need a taco and a friend.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow. Subscribe.
Guys,
I don't
And
know what this video
I'm
was.
confused what happened.
someone, we left. Someone banned me so I can get out of here, please.
I think we broke the server.
Oh.
And there
Let's
it
just
goes.
go to PlayIt.the-Squad.net.
Woo!
We'll do more taking.
See you tomorrow. Bye.